Hello students, welcome to your Pedia. I am Jitendra Tyagi and right now I am going to record an interaction with our student Hasid who has undergone one interview at Triple IT Bangalore. Okay, so let us start the discussion. Hasid, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine.
Okay, so Hasid, first of all, you tell us something about you like your BTech college name, your BTech branch and your BTech CGPA.
Uh, I completed my BTech from Anil Neerukonda Institute of Technology and Sciences. My CGPA is 6.93.
Okay.
I'm from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch.
Okay. So, what was your gate score?
My GATE score is 503 EC subject,
503 EC in which category?
general category.
In general category. Okay. So, what was the program name? Was that MTech or MS or PhD program where you
Uh,
applied for interview?
MS by research in VLSI,
MSY research in VLSI at Triple IT Bangalore,
Bangalore.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, did you get any other interview call also earlier?
No, sir. This is the first one.
Okay, so this was your first interview experience there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and your gate score is of which year? 2021?
Yes, sir. 2021.
Okay. So, this was your first gate attempt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So, Hasit, now you start the entire scenario. You have to tell the students that how it started, how many faculty members were there, and what kind of questions did they ask, right?
Okay. Uh, Interview is scheduled at 10:30. Uh, in that interview, there were four professors were there.
Okay.
Uh, so at first, they asked me to introduce myself, which I gave for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
After that, they asked me regarding uh, which subject I'm interested in.
Okay.
Uh, I said EDC. So they started asking me questions uh, regarding the amplifier BJT as an amplifier circuit.
Okay.
Uh, what are the capacitors we use in this amplifier?
Okay.
Uh, and they told me how the gain value changes with including the uh, with the help with the capacitors with capacitors and without capacitors, how what will be the gain value, like how it will be. And they told me to draw the common emitter amplifier,
Okay.
and they told me to write gain formula for common emitter amplifier.
Okay.
And they told me to explain the difference between small RE and capital RE.
Okay.
Uh, After that, they asked, I said my research interest is in robotics and embedded systems. So they asked me whether I'm comfortable with questions from embedded systems.
Okay.
So they asked me what are the differences between Raspberry Pi and Arduino.
Difference between.
Raspberry Pi
Hmm.
and Arduino Uno.
Okay.
Uh, what are the advantages of Arduino Uno?
Okay.
Sorry, what are the advantages of Raspberry Pi? I said it is having OS for that. So they asked me what is the use of OS here, which the Arduino is not having. So what is the advantage that Raspberry Pi has gained there?
Okay. Okay.
Uh, and after this question, they asked about one question. Can we use the BJT as a switch?
Okay.
I said yes. Then they asked me to draw a circuit where we can how to control a DC motor using transistor as a switch. If we give input as 1.1 volt, the DC motor should start, and if we give 0, the DC motor should stop.
Okay.
So that's also.
Okay. These were the questions.
Yes.
Okay. So did they ask Any question from digital electronics?
No, sir.
Okay. Any question from mathematics?
No, sir.
Okay. And any question from your BTech project
No, sir.
about your industrial experience or internship or training? Anything they ask?
No, sir.
Nothing. Okay. And did they ask any other subject, any one question from any other subject like signal system or anything else? Nothing.
Nothing, sir.
So they were restricted to embedded and amplifier. Whatever you said, they were asking from those sections only, right?
Yes, sir. I told them about I'm interested in robotics. My area of interest is robotics and embedded systems.
Okay.
So they asked from embedded systems, and they asked me the interested subject, your favorite subject. I said EDC. So they asked questions from me.
Okay. Okay. So Hasid, would you like to tell something extra to our students who are watching our this session? Any suggestion from your side?
Uh, Nothing, sir. Like even if you get a low score, there is no need to worry. Just we need to apply for more colleges. Your PDA is providing more number of opportunities like MS research in the various institutes, PhD, and according to the opportunities that the unknown hidden branches. So I've applied in all. Anything from any college we may get the chances even if our gate score is low.
Yeah. So every student must understand this, that if you have average gate score, even then you can get interview calls, and you should prepare yourself for interview also. Actually, the main issue with the students is that they only start preparing only when they get interview call. They apply, but they do not prepare in most of the cases. And suddenly they get in telephonic call from the professor that tomorrow is your interview, and they have left with one day or one night to prepare then. So whenever you apply for any program, you should think that you may get interview call. So from the day of applying, you must start preparing for the given department. Okay, because you have chance. If you have applied, if you are applying for any program, then you have chance. And if you know that you don't have any chance, then why are you applying? Okay. So if you are applying, then you have 1% probability of getting interview call. Then you should start preparing for that interview. Okay.
So one more,
Yeah.
the selection basis for this is not completely on gate score, sir. They asked for a statement of purpose, statement of research,
Okay.
and also letter of recommendation from minimum two previous teachers of mine.
Okay. Okay.
So based on that, they have
Yeah.
did the.
And PhD, there are various other factors. Gate is not the main factor. Other factors are also important. Okay. So students should keep this in their minds. Okay. So now we are ending this session, and we wish all the best for all our students, and for especially for our student Hasid Venkata. Okay.
Thank you, sir.